Lacey today. I made up my own song, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's get started. Put this up here for a second. Ah, there we go. When he looks in my eyes, he sees the stars and the truth, and the stars above when my heart beats fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. The sun is brighter, brighter. So I figured it out. This is me again. This is me again. Oh, 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 yeah. Someday in the sea.
Mom always knew the right stuff to buy me. She had great taste. But Dad, oh man, he has a taste of a month-old pickle. No, Dad knows how to shop for a girl. You know what my dad got me for my last birthday? A savings box. You can touch it, you can feel it, but you can't spend it. Pointless. I think the savings bond.
Okay, so that was my... Okay. Bye.
Holidays past.
I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hold on. Okay, guys, that was my new song, He Looks Into Me. Now, I'll see you guys later. Bye.